Amy, from the very start, we both knew exactly what we needed from a relationship and a partner. We found out quickly that we had so much in common, literally everything. I think it scared both of us at first, and our friends and family too, that's for sure. But we soon realized that we were meant for each other. Now here we are, just a little over a year later, standing in front of our family and friends. We've already accomplished so much, and I look forward to making the rest of our dreams reality together. I will always support you in whatever you do to the very best of my abilities. You're my best friend, my partner in crime, and now my wife. I love you.
So close, no matter how far. Couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. Never opened myself this way. Life is ours, we live it our way. Hold these words I don't just say, and nothing else matters. Trust I seek and I find in you. Every day for us something new. Open mind for a different view, and nothing else matters. Never cared for what they do, never cared for what they know, but I know. So close, no matter how far. It couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. Never cared for what they do, never cared for what they know, but I know.
I vow to be your mirror when you forget how powerful you are. To be your lighthouse when you lose your way. I vow to protect your heart as fiercely as I protect my own. I vow to be slow to speak, slow to become angry, and quick to listen. I vow to be your safe space and protect our peace. I vow to be your helper always. I promise to put God in the very center of our marriage. As God placed you in my life, I promise to spend the rest of our days living, happy, healthy, and always telling you you're the boss. I look forward to continuing living our best life. I love you more.
Life is ours, we live it our way. Hold these words I don't just say, and nothing else matters. Trust I seek and I find in you. Every day for us something new. Open mind for a different view, and nothing else matters. Never cared